As you can see, this is my lab 4 exercise 3, and these 7 LEDs here represent a binary number. Each LED represents a bit, and as you can see to the far right, this button represents A0, which increments the LEDs to correspond to the next binary number. So currently it's displaying 7. Now if I click on A0, it'll go up to 8 and then 9, and that's where it's going to stop. So if I keep clicking A0 to increment, it's essentially what my code is doing is resetting the LEDs back to 9, and it's not going to go up above to numbers, well, essentially, yeah, beyond 9. So now if I hit A1 to decrement, it's going to go back down to 8, then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now if I hit it again to go to 0, nothing's going to happen. I keep clicking on A1, nothing happens. Now I want to increment. I'll hit A0 again, and it's going to go fast. And essentially it's going fast because the period is 100 milliseconds, so it's able to pretty much determine like my input fast. Now, but let's say I hold A1 to decrement. Like I don't want to keep pushing the button. Let's say I just want to hold it. So what it's going to do is once per second, it's going to decrement by a binary number. So it's going to go down to 4, 3, 2, and 1, 0. Now, let's say I want to do the same with A0. I don't want to keep pushing it. I just want to hold it. So I'll hold it again. It'll go up, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Now, let's say I want to reset. Now, I just click on both buttons at the same time. It'll reset back to 0. Let's say I want to reset while I am holding it. So let's say I'm incrementing, and I want to reset while I'm still holding the button. So I'll hold A0. And I'll reset when I get to 7. So it's 5, 6, and 7. And I'll reset back to 0. Essentially, yeah, just hit A0 again. It'll increment. Now I am back. Now I'm at 9. So now let's do the opposite. Now I want to decrement. So I'll hold A1. It's going to decrement. And now I want to reset. It's going to reset back to 0. And that is all.